In this video, I'll show you how to use the Hostinger website builder. Start by signing into your Hostinger account and opening the website section. Click Create or Manage Website, then choose Hostinger Website Builder to start a new project. Next, select a template or use the AI Website Builder if you want Hostinger to generate a website based on your business or idea. Once the website is created, open it in the editor. After that, customize your website by clicking on any section to edit the text, images, colors, fonts, and layouts. You can also add new sections such as galleries, contact forms, testimonials, or pricing tables using the Add section option. Now create additional pages like About, Services, Contact, or Blog from the Pages menu. Update your navigation so visitors can easily move between pages. Next, open the website settings to update your site title, favicon, SEO information, and connect a custom domain if you have one. Once you're happy with your website, click Preview to test it on both desktop and mobile devices. Make any final adjustments before publishing. Finally, click Publish to make your website live and share it with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Hostinger website builder. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.